Kristen, and I wanted to show a very simple way to prepare seafood. So I just got some rainbow trout. You can get this at any local grocery store, and I'm just gonna drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. So I usually line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and then I just kind of brush the olive oil. So always use extra virgin olive oil. I brush it on all sides here, nice and evenly. And then I put on my favorite seasoning. So usually I just do a simple salt and pepper. Sometimes I have a seasoning that has some garlic and some fresh herbs. So use whatever seasoning you love, and then just sprinkle it on top. And then what I'm gonna do for entertaining purposes, of course we want food that's gonna taste good, but we also want food that's gonna look good. So I'm gonna show just how to make this look a little bit nicer. And if you are entertaining, if you're having a family meal, throw on some lemons. And this will add some really nice flavor to the fish, and it'll also look nice. So we'll bake it just with the lemons on top. And usually I throw it in the oven, 375 degrees for about 15 minutes. Sometimes I'll broil it for a couple minutes at the end just to get it kind of crispy on top. So it's a really simple way to prepare just your simple fish. This is rainbow trout. I also love to prepare salmon. I could do it the same way. Or sometimes I use a cedar plank and I grill salmon. So I would just throw the salmon on top, put it maybe a little olive oil, some salt and pepper, put it right on the grill. You don't have to flip it, you just cover it, maybe takes about 15 minutes. Another really simple way to prepare fresh fish is just to pan sear it on both sides in a little olive oil with a little salt and pepper. So make it really simple and you can't mess it up.